Welcome to the HFT Stocks and Options Commentary. I'm Pablo Navarro. Today is Tuesday, September 17, 2013. For the Volatility Index, the dollar-weighted put-call ratio on the VIX, we have a neutral reading for September and October. The big month, October, with 62% of the total premiums paid. Overall, we have a neutral dollar-weighted put-call ratio on the VIX. Going to SPX, here we have the daily chart up 7 handles for the day. Very nice day here, finishing just above yesterday's high, or at yesterday's high was 1704.95, 20 cents below that, but very nice here, almost at the highs of the day, which is important. Tomorrow we have FOMC announcement. That's going to be very important. I believe we're going to start tapering by about 5 to 10 billion. That's what I'm planning here to trade. I'm most likely traded via gold. I'm gonna be short gold. That's what I'm looking here for a sell-off. We'll talk about that in a minute. For the Qs, we have an update for the Qs, 0.67% up. Going here, taking some of yesterday's losses on normal volume, not much traded there. IWM up 1% for the day, 106.08. And trading at 106 and a quarter after hours. You can see here taking all of yesterday's losses there on the same volume, so not much going on there. For GLD, here we have the daily chart for GLD. Flat today, another down to flat day here for gold. You can see it here. We tried to go higher. We were higher about a quarter of a percent, then we sold off, took away these previous lows here, and then basically ended flat. I believe we're going to 124. That's going to be my target here. To the downside, I am bearish. SLV up 0.10%, not much going on here. 20.96, I'm looking for 20 as a target. We're starting to break this 50 on 100-day moving average. I'm looking for it to break tomorrow, and I'm bearish here. Going for Apple. Apple having a bounce today here. 1% over 1.5%, you can see it here. Almost 2% for the day. That was the high. Then we started selling off slowly, closing basically 1% up here. We're almost touched the 200-day moving average there. We failed, and you can see it here on normal volume. We're just bouncing here, not much going on. I still continue to be bearish on Apple. I think we're going to 429. Google. Here you have the Google chart, flat again, not much going on, some consolidation around this area. I'm not touching it here unless we make a big move. We're consolidating around the 50-day moving average. One important one, Microsoft, today announcing $40 billion buyback for the stock and an increase in the dividend. You could see it here popping less than 0.5%, big volume there, closing just at the 50-day moving average. Looks like a big buyback there. It didn't say about the time frame, but important buyback, so that's important. I'm looking here for a bounce of the stock around for 31. I would get bullish there. You could see that big resistance there around the 36 level, but also big support around the 31. So it looks like we're gonna continue to be in that range, and not much here going on apart from that. Facebook up 6% today. You could see here the chart. Yesterday we were 4% down, and today taking off those losses. Volume on Facebook a little bit higher than average. Yesterday we came here with 70 million shares, and today we have 91 million. The average 65 million. So we are rallying here on more than average volume. That's important here. First target's gonna be this previous all-time high of 45.60 of 45.62. And if we go higher, looking for higher prices, but that's the all-time high there, I would get bullish if we break the all-time high on heavy volume.